How do bioprocess engineers scale lab processes for industrial production? Imagine transforming a small laboratory experiment into a large-scale manufacturing operation capable of producing thousands of units daily. This transition is a complex journey that requires meticulous planning, precise adjustments, and a deep understanding of biological systems. Bioprocess engineers play a crucial role in this transformation by ensuring that processes developed on a small scale can be reliably and efficiently expanded to meet industrial demands. The first step involves thorough characterization of the initial laboratory process. Engineers analyze key parameters such as temperature, pH levels, nutrient concentrations, oxygen transfer rates, and mixing efficiency. These factors influence cell growth, product formation, and overall process stability. Understanding these variables allows engineers to identify which aspects are critical and must be maintained during scale-up. Scaling up begins with the use of pilot-scale bioreactors, which are larger than laboratory equipment but smaller than full production units. These intermediate vessels help engineers observe how the process behaves when volume increases. During this phase, they focus on maintaining similar conditions to those in the laboratory, such as mixing patterns and oxygen transfer efficiencies. Adjustments are made to impeller designs, agitation speeds, and aeration rates to replicate the small-scale environment as closely as possible. A key challenge in scaling is ensuring uniform distribution of nutrients and oxygen throughout larger bioreactors. Engineers utilize computational fluid dynamics simulations to predict flow patterns and identify potential dead zones or areas with insufficient mixing. Based on these insights, they modify bioreactor design or operating conditions to optimize mass transfer and ensure cells receive consistent nourishment. Another critical aspect is process validation and control. Engineers develop standard operating procedures that specify precise parameters for each stage of production. They implement real-time monitoring systems to track parameters such as dissolved oxygen, pH, and cell density. Automated control systems adjust conditions dynamically to maintain optimal growth environments, reducing variability and ensuring product quality. Throughout the scale-up process, engineers also consider downstream processing requirements. As production volume increases, purification, filtration, and formulation steps must be adapted to handle larger quantities efficiently. This often involves designing scalable equipment and workflows that preserve product integrity while maximizing throughput. In summary, bioprocess engineers successfully scale laboratory processes for industrial production by carefully analyzing critical parameters, employing pilot studies, optimizing bioreactor design, utilizing advanced modeling tools, and establishing robust control systems. This comprehensive approach ensures that the transition from small-scale experiments to large-scale manufacturing is smooth, reliable, and capable of delivering high-quality biological products to meet global demand.